The GarveeLife 88-key folding keyboard is exceptionally lightweight, making it easy to transport and store thanks to its innovative folding design and robust mechanical hinge. With 88 full-sized semi-weighted keys, this keyboard offers a realistic touch and dynamic responsiveness akin to a traditional piano. It boasts an impressive array of features including a clear LCD display, 128 tones and rhythms, as well as 20 demo tracks for a comprehensive playing experience. The upgraded speaker system, featuring dual 5-watt speakers and bass diaphragms, ensures a rich and authentic sound quality. Connectivity is a breeze with options like MIDI, audio input, and Bluetooth, allowing seamless integration with mobile devices and piano teaching applications. The package is well-rounded with essential accessories such as a piano stand, headphones, sustain pedal, and a carrying bag, making it ideal for musicians at any level.